The process of manufacturing stainless steel strainers in a factory involves several steps, combining advanced machinery and skilled craftsmanship. Below is an overview of the general process. Raw material, high quality stainless steel sheets, rods, or wires are selected based on the required durability and corrosion resistance. Common grades include 304 or 316 stainless steel. Sheet cutting, large stainless steel sheets are cut into smaller, pre-designed sizes using laser cutters, shears, or CNC machines. And I've been to a laser cut actual sheet press before, but this was directly into this wire cutting. Stainless steel wires for mesh or perforated patterns are cut into desired length. Cleaned and inspected strainers are packed using protective materials to prevent scratches during transit